Garrett Foster will be charged is still uncertain. Attorney Milo Colton, a criminal law professor at St. Mary's University in San Antonio, says that's due to the state's gun laws.
Under Texas law, about the only thing you have to do is show you had a right to be present at a particular place with your gun, and then you reasonably felt threatened.
On Saturday, Foster was openly carrying an AK-47 style rifle, which is legal in Texas. The driver told police Foster aimed the weapon directly at him. Witnesses say that's not true, but Colton says that might not matter, as long as the driver says he was acting in self-defense.
If he's frightened, you're gonna have a guy pulling a gun and shooting. We've had people shoot for a lot less here in the state of Texas, and it's very difficult for a prosecutor to win these self-defense cases of these kind. It's less than 1% in the state of Texas.
That's because of Texas gun laws, including the Castle Doctrine and Stand Your Ground.
But by 1995, the Castle Doctrine was well established by the legislature, which essentially said if a homeowner felt threatened or somebody on their property felt threatened, they could use a gun to defend themselves. I think it was about 2007 that the Stand Your Ground law went into effect. You didn't have to be on your property to use the self-defense logic to shoot another person.
Witnesses argue the driver instigated the situation by deliberately driving into the crowd of protesters. While Colton says there might be a case there,
that's going to be very hard to prove. The question is who provoked whom? And the question is, does he have a right to be with his vehicle in that location?
Colton says Foster had the right to openly carry his weapon, but due to Stand Your Ground law, the driver had the right to feel threatened by it and shoot.
Texans support people's right to stand their ground. You're setting yourself up if you have a gun to take on anybody. It's just a very difficult situation in a heavily crowded gun culture.
Nikki Griswold, Spectrum News.